Yeah, so we've gotten a little snow here. Luckily my neighbor has a big snow blower and is taking care of a lot of it. But you can see it's still whipping around. I don't know if you can hear the snow hitting the microphone or not. Let's go back here to the back. My garage area. And you can see my neighbor's car there. Deb's car completely somewhat buried. And I gotta go into the garage and get the shovel to get rid of some of this. Thank you, Mike Algio, for getting rid of the majority of this, and I'm gonna touch up on both our sides. And that's our blizzard.